Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will show you how to edit your keyboard just like, what about I go on YouTube and search so how to get like this with the numbers and obviously the sound, and how to change like, see. So the first step is go to the Play Store or App Store. I'm just gonna delete all of those. So now, just search Gboard. See, the Google keyboard. So then, after you've downloaded and installed this, then just open it, and then go into theme, and then see, I just downloaded a few, so just go to Google and then search anything you want. What about Mega Neon Pit? Mega Neon Pit, what? Okay, so I don't know why I'm searching this, but then just go to images, and then just download any, like, just hold on the picture and then click downloading. So see, up here you can see it's downloaded. Now open Gboard and then go into theme, and then click this plus my themes, and then see right here, this Megan Neon thing is here. So then when I click next, look at that. I can put the brightness how I like. If it's all the way down, it's like the normal keyboard. So if it's ultimate brightness, it's like this. And click done and apply. So now you can also change your background. Just hold, but not on any app, like just hold on anything, wallpapers, and then my photos. So then you can put like this adopt me, and I can just like set the wallpaper, and look at this. And my keyboard is also gonna look like that. And I'm gonna show you how to put the numbers there, and so now I'm just gonna close all Gboard. So the next step is you must go in preferences, and then the number row is gonna be off for you maybe. So then just click, just activate it. Whoa, and here on key press, system leave. I don't know that. So then that's all emoji stickers. So just oh I don't know what. Oh, okay, that's the volume. So the sound on the key press kind of annoys me, so I don't know. And then that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, And anyways, see you guys next video. Bye bye.